Google search has dominated how we find information online for decades. But what if an AI-powered browser could rewrite those rules? Perplexity just launched Comet, its first AI-driven web browser, and it's aiming straight at Google's throne. Comet isn't just another browser with AI bolted on. At its core is Perplexity's own AI search engine, installed by default, that delivers clean, summarized answers instead of overwhelming blue links. It's the company's boldest move yet to stop relying on Google's ecosystem and pull users directly into its own. Before I go deeper, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your take on whether you ditch Chrome for something like this. So what makes Comet different? Its standout feature is the Comet Assistant, an AI agent built right into the browser. It can summarize emails and calendar events, manage your tabs, and even navigate web pages for you. Open it in a side panel while browsing, and it automatically sees what's on the screen. That means you can ask questions about a YouTube video, a Google Doc, or even a social post you're reading, without copying and pasting. The assistant is useful for quick tasks, like summarizing your inbox or giving you reminders from your calendar. But when it comes to more complex jobs, like booking a parking spot with specific dates and prices, it still stumbles. Think hallucinations, wrong dates, and incomplete checkouts. That's a reminder of the biggest unsolved problem in AI agents today: reliability. Still, Comet represents something bigger. Perplexity's CEO, Aravind Srinivas, calls it the foundation of an operating system for the internet, a tool where you can do almost everything without leaving the browser. In June, he even described becoming someone's default browser as a path to infinite retention. The competition won't be easy. Chrome and Safari dominate, while the browser company just launched its own AI-powered browser, and OpenAI has been rumored to be building one too. But Perplexity has momentum: 780 million queries in May 2025, with search traffic growing over 20% month over month. Taking on Google is a massive challenge, but the browser wars are heating up. If Comet can win even a fraction of Chrome users, this could be the beginning of a new era in how we interact with the web. Stick around and watch the related video in the corner to see how other AI companies are reshaping the future of browsing. And if this gave you something to think about, subscribe for more no-fluff breakdowns of the AI battles shaping our digital lives.